Today, I'm showing you how to turn on or off autocorrect on your Android phone. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your keyboard. First, you need to open your keyboard. Tap on any text field, open your messaging app, notes app, search bar, or any place where you can type. Your keyboard will appear at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Access keyboard settings. Look at the top of your keyboard for a gear icon or settings icon. Tap on it to open keyboard settings. If you don't see a gear icon immediately, look for a three-dot menu button or tools icon on your keyboard. Step 3. Open text correction settings. In the keyboard settings menu, look for text correction, corrections and suggestions, or typing preferences. Tap on it to access autocorrect and typing options. Step 4. Find autocorrection option. Scroll through the text correction settings until you find autocorrection or autocorrect. This is the main setting that controls whether your phone automatically fixes words while you type. Step 5. Toggle autocorrect on or off. You'll see a toggle switch next to autocorrection. Tap the switch to turn it off if you want to disable autocorrect. The switch turns gray when disabled. Tap it again to turn it back on if you want autocorrect enabled. The switch turns blue or green when active. And that's it. You've successfully turned autocorrect on or off on your Android keyboard. Choose the setting that works best for your typing style.